I am Beryl, back in these beautiful and serene white mountains, in the snow-covered and picturesque valleys for episode 23. We are very slowly descending the mountain, our feet sinking into the snow, making a concerted effort to carefully make our way down. With me is someone who will tell you how to survive in this challenging environment by eating various wild animals. Yes, please tell the audience how we will start a fire down here and eat raw animals. Garisa, please speak up. Tell them to sit down to stay safe.
Take the help of animals. With you, today, keep all the firewood items, blankets, and you can also keep oil.
Then there is danger of bears here. Keep looking around. You can still survive. There's neither a sound nor a human around. I can hear some noise. Who is it? What animal made that sound? This is called the result of the wind. Learn from our experience. Do not come into the snowy valleys among the animals alone, without guidance. Thank you. Or stay with us. In the next episode, episode 24, Beryl and Jojo will be back